A 75 milliliter solution of HCl with an unknown concentration is titrated to the equivalence point with 27.3 milliliters of 0.157 molar CaOH2. What was the concentration of HCl in the original solution? So this is a titration problem. So what titration does, it's adding a known concentration of a solution into a known volume of another solution of unknown concentration. So what we are doing is we are adding the known concentration, we're adding 27.3 milliliters of 0.157 molar CaOH2 into 75 milliliters of HCl with an unknown concentration. So what we have is we have 75 milliliters of solution of HCl. We also have 27.3 milliliters of 0.157 molar CaOH2. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the balance equation. So what we're going to do is we are going to do CaOH2 plus HCl and then CaCl2 plus H2O. So we're going to balance that. So after we balance that, we're going to find out what the moles of CaOH2 is to find out what the moles of HCl is. That's going to help us find what our molarity of HCl is. So to find the moles of CaOH2, we're going to multiply the volume times the concentration, and that's going to give us our moles. So our volume is 27.3 milliliters, and then our concentration is 0.157 molar, and that's going to equal 4.2861 moles of CaOH2. So now that we have moles of CaOH2, we're going to find the moles of HCl using our balanced equation. So we have 4.2861 moles of CaOH2. We're going to multiply that by 2 moles of HCl over 1 mole of CaOH2. And that is going to give us 8.5722 moles of HCl. So now that we have the moles of HCl, we are going to find the concentration of HCl by using this equation, and we're just going to mix it around. So that's going to be moles over volume equals the concentration. So we have 8.5722 moles of HCl, and that's divided by what's given to us, 75 milliliters of HCl, and then that is going to give us 0.114296 molar of HCl, and that is the answer. So the most common mistake that's made is not knowing to do the balance equation and not knowing to change moles of what's given to you to moles that you need to find, because they might be different. So HCl has 2 when CaOH2 only has 1. So that would change your answer if you didn't do that.